So let's start working with taxonomies. And first, for example, if I open this strawberry roll cake and I click on edit, you will find that we only have the title, we have this content, the image, but as I said, you can separate your post types into tags, categories, and taxonomies. But we don't see any taxonomy. We're gonna create the first one in this video. So I'm gonna open the editor, and here on the GA, post types, and taxonomies, I'm gonna create another function. And I think I'm gonna create a function here on the top. Yeah, right here. So you can see better the code in the center of the screen. So I'm gonna create a function, and it's at meal type taxonomy. And we attach this to a hook, and we have to do the same with taxonomy. So I'm gonna add an action in it, comma, and we add the function that we have created. So next we're gonna, you can see here we have register post type, so there is also register taxonomy, and I'm gonna remove everything. The first one is the name of the taxonomy, and I'm gonna call this one meal type. So this is the taxonomy. Next, the second one is the post type or custom post type, where this taxonomy is gonna be attached. And if you remember, you can see here we have recipes. So I'm gonna attach this to recipes, comma. And then I'm gonna add an array with some options for this taxonomy. And I'm gonna add a semicolon here. Then we have the label, and the label is meal type. Then we add a comma. Then we're gonna add the rewrite, and this is the slug for the URL when you visit a post inside this taxonomy. So we're gonna add slug, and here is an array, slug, and this is meal. Then we add a comma, and then we have hierarchical, and this is like post or pages, and I'm gonna set this to true, and I'm gonna show you the difference in just a little bit. So now you can save and reload this, and you can see that here we have meal type, and you can add a meal type, for example, I don't know, something like breakfast, and add new, and you can see it says breakfast, but you can see it says parent category, add new category, and something like that. If I change this to hierarchical to false and reload, you can see that we have meal type, and it says separate tags with commas. So if hierarchical is set to true, it will act like categories. If you set hierarchical to false, it will act like tags. And I'm gonna set this to true. So we have all the meal types, and we can assign a meal type for this recipe. And when we're working with our examples, we can filter this food or this recipe based on this meal type. But you can see we have the same problem. We can see we say a new category and things like that. So this was a basic taxonomy. You can create a more advanced taxonomy with their own labels and things like that. So let's see how you can do that in the next video.